guys, so today we're going to be working on a black and white nail design. Now today I'm going to be using some full nail tips, and this is what they look like. So I say that they're tips, but they're really press-on nails. They cover the whole nail. This is what they look like. But I get them in a package like this. I'll have the links down below to this particular one. This is a coffin shape or a ballerina shape. They do have other shapes and other colors in this particular brand. So they come in clear white and natural. I have the natural here. And then they also have oval, short, I believe, and coffin is this one that I'm going to be using today. So like I said, I'll have that link down below for you guys, but we need to prep the nail first. So what we're going to do, first thing, if you notice on the tip, sorry, my camera's taking a little bit to focus there. There's a little bump right here for manufacturing. So all I want to do is just go in and make sure to file that down so it's nice and straight. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with a buffer like this, and I'm just going to remove the shine off the top of the nails. And of course you want to make sure that you size these nails that they're going to fit your nail perfectly and that you're not going to have excess on the sides or anything. So instead of placing it on my nails and then decorating, what I'm going to do is decorate first and then place it on my nails. So I have it all sized out, starting with the thumb all the way down to the pinky here. And all I did to attach this was I used a swatch stick, which looks like this. I put a piece of duct tape on it and I folded it over on itself, and that's what I used to place the actual tips. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint these nails. So I'm going to be using Madam Glam. This is from their Firefly collection, and the color that I'm using today is King's Choice, and this is a black with holographic in it. So because we are doing this on press-on nails, we do not need to apply a base coat. We can just go right in with our color. So I'm going to do 2 coats of polish and then 1 coat of top coat. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part so that it's not really long for you guys. But just know that I'm curing in my LED in between each coat. So you also want to make sure that you cap these just like you would do with any natural nail. And if you get anything on the sides, you just want to make sure that you clean that up with something. I'm using a silicone tool here, but you could use whatever you want. Orange wood stick, anything would work fine. So once you've got the painted and top coated, you want to just go ahead and remove the tacky layer off the top of that. I just used some rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab. So for the next part of the design, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some of this monomer. This is from Neo Nails. This is their high-speed acrylic liquid. I'm going to add that to my dapping dish. I don't need a lot because I'm just going to be doing a little bit of 3D work. I'm also going to be using my number 2 brush here, and this is from Alpha. I'll have all of these linked down below for you guys. And then the powder I'm using today is Mega White, and again, that's from Neo Nails. So on here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a spray of flowers going up the ring finger and the middle finger. One of the benefits of using press-on nails is that you can do really elaborate designs before you put it on your nails. So if you're not really good at something, this is a great way to practice nail designs and things that you wouldn't normally do. For example, doing ombre nails, you know, where you have to take the sponge and it gets all over the skin. This way you're avoiding that completely if you were doing that. Same thing with the 3D work. If you're not very good with your other hand, your non-dominant hand, you know, this gives you an opportunity to do really pretty designs without being frustrated by not being able to get the design right. So I'm going to start with the middle finger. I'm just dipping into my monomer. I'm going to grab a bead of acrylic, place that down and let it come to consistency before I work it. So I'm just giving that a moment to kind of set up a little bit. So I'm just going to take the side of my brush and I'm going to push into the acrylic and then push the other way. And I'm just doing very simple petals here. And then I'm going to bring in that center just a little bit to give that nice petal shape. And if you want to use some silicone tools to give you more definition, you can. I'm going to go ahead and skip that because I'm doing a very simple design today. But of course for yours you can do whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more acrylic. I'm going to speed this part up because it's basically going to be the same thing. What I'm going to So next I'm going to be taking some of this 3D gel from Madam Glam. I'm going to be adding some accents and then curing it. To show you guys, I'm going to go ahead and just add some of this. And with that gel, if you don't like where something lands, you can go in and clean it up with a little bit of alcohol on your brush. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure that real quick, and then I'm going to come back in and do some little black dots. So I went ahead and cured that. I'm just going to go back in and add some little black dots as an accent. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the light and then finish up the other nail, and I'll be right back to show you guys that. So once you've got your nail design done, you can go ahead and start applying them. I'm going to go ahead and start with my pinky. If you need more detailed instructions on how to apply these and how to prep the nails, there's a video in the description box that goes over all of that step by step. So I'm just going to start with the pinky over here. The glue I'm using today is Kiss, but you can use whatever glue you like. I like to put a bead in the back of the nail, and then I use the tip of the glue bottle to kind of run it up on the sides. I want to make sure that I'm not putting way too much on there. You just want to make sure you have that lined up and that your nails are completely prepped. And then just press down and hold it. You want to make sure that you hold it until that glue actually sticks. And if you get any excess glue, just make sure you go and clean that up. And you're just going to keep going down the line until you put on all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing on my nails, and then I'll meet you guys right back so we can see the final product. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I went ahead and washed my hands and applied some cuticle oil, and my nails are done. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Also in the description box, there will be a complete list of all the products that I used today. I know that I kind of ran through them quickly. Also, if you do need more detailed instructions on how to apply press-on nails, how to prep the nails and everything, there's also a video down in the description box that will go over that step by step. I kind of just grazed over this one since I just uploaded that one recently. And then there's also a video on how to remove press-ons the correct way so you don't damage your nail. Again, that will be listed down below for you as well. Don't forget to like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to be notified when I upload new videos, you can hit that notification bell. And as always, thank you guys for watching.